Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through how to delete account in PolyBuzz application. For that, first of all, find the app labeled with PolyBuzz and then tap on it to launch the application. At the bottom right, you will see profile icon, tap on it. Then on the top right corner, you will see setting gear icon, you need to go through it. From here, you will see account option, tap on that. Now, here you will see all of the terms and condition. Before hitting on the delete button, you need to make sure that all of your data will be deleted permanently. It can't be restored in future. If you want to still continue, then you have to agree to all of this condition and hit on the delete button. You will still get a warning. If you want to continue, then hit on delete again. And that was it. You have successfully deleted account in PolyBuzz application. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.